Former Prime Minister Bruce Golding was involved in a four-vehicle collision in Old Harbour, St. Catherine on Friday. The former Prime Minister is now resting at home. However, residents in Old Harbour say a pothole along the Bodles main road, which has resulted in numerous motor vehicle crashes, is to be blamed for the collision. Kelisha Williams has that story.
When TVJ News arrived on the scene of the crash along the Bodles main road in St. Catherine, there were no signs of Mr. Golding or the vehicle he was traveling in. However, these motor cars were enough to tell the tale. We were told the crash was a ripple effect of this car slowing down to avoid a pothole.
There's a pothole that's spread right across the road. She tried to break up to negotiate the pothole. And Sir Bruce was coming behind. That's Bruce Golding. Okay. And he tried to swerve out of her. He first tried to hit the brake, and then tried to swerve. And then that's when he, had the altercation in the back of the car.
And it didn't end there. As the driver of this motor car explained, he was surprised by the way in which his car became a factor in the crash.
And her car spun around. His continued hit mine and just push it from here all the way over there.
So there was a 3 vehicle accident?
No, 4.
My brother did sit down in a chair right here, so with my little nephew. And when he hit this car, my brother have to get up same time because the car bring the chair go right down there. So.
Residents told us they were thankful no one was injured. However, things could have been much worse. They explained that the same pothole has caused several fender benders over the past months.
And nobody paid attention. This is not the first accident took place here. You understand? So we need the government to get involved and fix this pothole. I got the car live right here.
And what I just heard is that this is the 3rd accident from this week. So that's just this week alone. So you can just imagine the other weeks. So, you have this one that stretches right across the road and that one right there that stretches right across the road.
Meanwhile, in a statement Friday evening, Mr. Golding's daughter, Senator Shireen Golding Campbell, said Mr. Golding was not injured. She explained that he has been resting at home. Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.